Welcome back to Living Oklahoma. Now it's time for our Mad Science Friday finale. And guess what? The pressure is on in the Mad Science Lab. While families are preparing their fish dinners for Good Friday, the kiddos are anticipating all the candy that they're about to eat on Easter Sunday. And luckily, our favorite mad scientists will show us an experiment that can help your little ones from eating too many sweets. Let's check it out.
Oh yeah, the dogs of science.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
And we are here in the Mad Science Lab once again. You know what's happening on Sunday?
Easter.
Easter. I love Easter. Hey, what's your favorite Easter candy?
Well, I bought some, and it's Peeps.
Peeps. I love Peeps. Hey, you know what Peeps are? Peeps are little tiny chickens made out of marshmallow. Do you know what a marshmallow is?
Delicious.
A marshmallow is just a lot of sugar wrapped around air.
Like I said, delicious.
That's what hey, check this out. If we were to take, and I've got this right here, if we were to take the Peeps and move the air away from it, what do you think would happen to the Peeps?
They would just become pure sugar.
They would become pure
and
sugar.
Therefore be smaller.
You think they get smaller?
Because there's no longer air inflating them.
There's no longer air inflating them. Here, let's put 3 or 4 in here. Oh, let's put them all in there. Yeah. Peeps. There you go. Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. Hey, hang with your Peeps. Oh, never mind. Okay. So here we go. So there we go. Now watch. I'm going to try to take the air out. And you think if I take the air out, they'll get smaller, right?
I mean, you said they're just air and sugar, so if they
Just
lose
air
the
and
air,
sugar. Okay. So if they lose the air,
they'll just become sugar.
it should be just sugar. So they're gonna you said they're gonna take up less space,
Why
right?
does it look like it's growing?
What?
Why do they look like they're growing?
They look like they're growing?
Yeah.
Well, because think about it this way. There's pressure on the inside and pressure on the outside of you.
Yes.
Okay. Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch after a big old Easter dinner and Garfield comes in your house and jumps on your tummy. Would that hurt? Yeah, because Garfield weighs about 13.5 pounds, which is really heavy for a cat. Right? Okay, now think about this. Imagine hundreds of Garfields jumping on your tummy all at once.
Ow.
Yeah, that would hurt. Well, that's how much pressure is on your body right now.
Ah.
Yeah, and so what I'm doing, but we have pressure on the inside that balances out.
Okay, I was going to ask, how does that not hurt?
Yeah, so if we took away that pressure from the inside, from the outside, and the pressure from the inside, we keep pushing out, which is what's happening here. Okay, now here's the cool thing. Watch this. You see those Peeps growing and growing and growing?
Yes.
Now watch.
They got smaller.
They got smaller because what we did, we separated the sugar apart from the air molecules, took all the air out, and the sugar kept growing and growing. They kept expanding to fill the space. And then when we let the pressure back in, it filled it in faster and more than it started with.
Ah, so this isn't a way to get more Peeps out of your Peeps.
No, so that's what we have. It's just all about the air pressure. A lot like our astronauts see in space. That's why they have to wear a spacesuit to keep it balanced out. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what it is. It's all about the air pressure. That's what we have for you today here on the Dogs of Science on Living Oklahoma. So glad to be with you here. If you want to learn more, go to our Facebook page.
You can watch us on YouTube, which is here, probably.
Or, you're going to see this on our YouTube page. Our Facebook page is Mad Science OKC.
And our website is
Mad Science OKC. So there you go. Can't wait to see you next time right here in the lab on Living Oklahoma.
Bye!
Oh, always so much fun to go to the lab with those guys. And we'll be back having more fun again Monday around 10:45 a.m. with another Mad Science experiment. You can visit okcmadscience.org for more STEM fun.